when we talk about nutrient pollution, nitrogen and phosphorus are the same nutrients that plants utilize to eat and consume and to thrive. Hydroponics typically utilizes these same nutrients. Why can't we put plants directly on open water and help uptake these nutrients from the water directly? My name is Jasmine Locke Rodriguez. I am a postdoc scientist at Florida International University and the founder of Phytoflora. Phytoflora uses productive floating wetlands to help clean water while also creating useful plants for our communities. Nutrient pollution tends to be an invisible problem that we don't notice typically. These nutrients are running off from our fertilizers on our lawns, fertilizers on our agricultural farms, but it's also coming off of our septic tanks. It's also running out from our broken infrastructure from our sewage as well. This is the village of Pinecrest, and this is just one pilot that we have where we can demonstrate the impact of these floating flower islands, and they have two major impacts. First, as the roots are hanging in the water, they're able to clean and remove these pollutants. At the same time as these baby plants start to grow, absorb, consume, and bloom, we get not only a beautiful installation, we're also creating a product that we can harvest, sell at a local farmer's market, and be able to help generate the support we need to keep these systems running and replicating across our communities. And also allowing these installations to be more accessible to communities who might not be able to afford maintaining them over time for long periods of time. The more that we actually harvest these plants, the more we're removing these nutrients from the water physically. And it's not actually just nutrients, other contaminants as well can be removed by plants through a process called phytoremediation. South Florida used to be all wetlands. This traditional ecosystem, or our natural wetland ecosystems, were able and had the capacity to filter these nutrients and pollutants before they were released into the bay and into the ocean. South Florida is actually the catchment area for water from across the state and even the region, southeast region. So without this filtration process from wetlands that used to be here, we're really overloading our ecosystems. And when this happens, we have fish kills, we have algae blooms, we have issues that impact not just our aquatic ecosystem, but also our economy. We're bringing back the power of plants where we've lost wetlands in our landscape. And now these plants have the capacity to help clean, filter the water in place while also helping keep our communities dry. I see this as a way to bring South Florida back to its roots, bringing wetlands back to our communities, one floating island at a time.